You know, a lot of times people will ask me, where are we going with this AI stuff? We had this major announcement in November 30th of 2022. Chat GPT now became a part of what we're doing. And we've seen it change. We've heard some people scared. Hey, is this going to steal our jobs? Is it going to destroy the world? They watched a lot of sci-fi movies. I see it as like most technology. There's good and there's bad. There's potential good of really helping people. Doctors are using this now to get a better, more thorough analysis that is uniquely for that patient by age, by gender, by weight, by medical history, all kinds of things that wonderful medical professionals take into account. So we got a lot of good, but hey, it could take over some other things and maybe hurt people. I think what we need to do is we need to adapt and change. Where are we going? We're in 2025. We've got a ways to go before it all ends. It keeps changing. Are there dangers? Yeah, there's some dangers. What if it clones someone's voice and persuades someone to do something wrong with a person's voice that we go, that sounds like Bob, and it's really not Bob? Well, what we've got to do is use AI to detect if it's really AI or if it's really Bob that's saying that. So we need to use AI. And the first thing is we can't say, I'm not going to touch it, it's bad. We need to look at it clearly with open eyes. And sometimes it can go, ouch. Planet Earth has a lot of ouches. From time to time, we're going to experience them, but working together, looking at it intelligently, looking at it objectively with the positive means of looking at what we're doing, we're going to be able to see some great benefit breakthrough. We're seeing opportunities, and some people are going to lose their jobs because what they're doing won't be valid anymore. We feel for them, but in a way, it's kind of like years ago, farmers would use plows and oxen. They'd strangle, grab those oxen, sometimes they'd strangle them, they put them together, they're going to till the soil and all that, and they made their living that way. Well, now we use machines. The machines took that away. And I think most people would say it's good that we got machines and we let those people who were doing that kind of farming do something else where they're using their brains even more and they're safer and they live longer. We're going to see new kind of jobs come about. So what we need to do is to improvise, adapt, and overcome. The United States Marine Corps says that a lot. You improvise, you change, you adapt, you overcome what's there by looking at where the opportunities are. And are there opportunities? Holy Toledo, absolutely, a bunch of them out there. And we need to look at those and they keep changing. Where are we going? Well, if I knew, I'd be able to buy anything I want because they're all out there with all the money there. But what we're seeing is a world that is changing fast and we don't know, and it creates some uncertainty. What you want to do is continuously, important word, continuously get education, be around smart people who can help you with that. Don't try to do it alone. Be with others. Get people. Sometimes you need to part with your capital. You say, yes, I'm willing to invest this time, money, and energy in order to profit from this, in order to learn what's going on. And as you do that, you're going to achieve some really good results working with AI. That artificial intelligence can actually connect people even more. Sounds crazy, but when it helps us to understand the other person from their point of view, something that we sometimes have a hard time doing as human beings, now the AI has made us more human. And I think that's a very good thing.